You've been telling me that one of the things that you love about the iPhone 13 mini is its ability to act as a streaming hub for media on the go. That might be for podcasts, music downloaded to your device, or streaming via cell phone data or Wi-Fi, or watching TV or movies on your iPhone itself, or casting it via Apple TV or AirPlay to some other device on a bigger screen. Here's just a small slice of what you've been telling me. I just this week bought a 13 mini after owning a 7 Plus. The 13 mini is just right in my pocket and more importantly fits in my car to connect to Apple CarPlay as opposed to the 7 Plus, which doesn't. I have a 13 mini and it works for me because I stream off it. Music goes to a speaker, maps go to my car's dashboard, and movies go to my TV screen. I see it as a base. I hardly use the phone, maybe the odd text. I don't need a huge iPhone for those things, just a powerful iPhone. Now this absolutely matches how I've been using my 13 mini. There's just one snag. The battery life of the 13 mini is definitely an improvement over the 12 mini, that's for sure. I can get through a whole day of use, but only just. On some days I need a top-up charge, just 10 minutes with a fast charger is enough. But what if there was a portable integrated solution that you could use that could make the 13 mini the perfect portable streaming and multimedia device, powering through your day and more? The juice you need can be delivered by the Apple MagSafe battery pack, getting you through those heavy media consumption days. Maybe when you've got the kids with you and it started raining and you need a little downtime to yourself. The Apple MagSafe battery pack is designed to quickly and safely wirelessly charge your iPhone 13 mini on the go, giving you more time to use your device. And I think it's the perfect companion for the 13 mini, solving one of the major shortcomings of the device. But here's where it comes into its own as part of a perfect portable entertainment kit, which you can take on the road with you when you need to leave the house, taking up the smallest space possible while avoiding the need to mess around with cables until you get to the end of your day, or even a couple of days. That would certainly be possible too. You can use your Apple MagSafe battery as a portable wireless charging pad for your Airpods Pro. The battery case offers some pretty good battery life for the AirPods themselves, but you might be caught short if you leave the house without that case fully charged. So your MagSafe battery can also charge your AirPods as well as keeping your 13 mini topped up too. Now of course this will also work for other larger iPhones in the 12, 13, 14 range, but it won't last quite as long and will give you less of a top up because the batteries in those devices are bigger in the first place. But it's still a great solution for portable charging when you may not have access to a power port. And here's my secret hidden tip that makes your portable entertainment device even more capable of staying off the mains electricity grid if you need to. When I'm traveling, I carry a foldable hard-wearing 10 watts solar charging panel to top up my MagSafe battery. You'll see here that the slow blinking orange light on the battery shows that it needs more time to charge than usual. Apple advises that using an adapter that isn't 20 watts or higher will result in a slower charge, and that goes for whether that's a plug-in charger or a solar charger like this one. If the sun isn't quite strong enough to generate the required power, or your kit isn't up to it either, you'll see that blinking light. But most of the time I use it, I see that solid orange light come on for 8 seconds, confirming it's charging before it switches itself off. This is a great way to top up your battery if you're in a tight spot, and it's ideal if you're out in the backcountry or away camping with the kids or something adventurous like that. It's also worth noting that I couldn't get a charge going with the multi-adapter cable that came with the solar panel, but I could get a charge going with a standard Apple Lightning cable. So be sure to use one of those, or at least experiment before you really need it to work. I wouldn't like you to be caught short. I'm going to give this portable streaming entertainment solution of the iPhone 13 mini, Apple MagSafe battery pack, AirPods Pro and 10 watt folding solar charging panel an A- rating. It's great, but I'm marking it down slightly just because MagSafe technology can be a little slow in charging your devices even at the best of times. But for a portable system, especially with the optional folding solar panel, it's hard to beat. Find out more about the Apple MagSafe battery pack in my video here, or maybe try this one instead. I'm Saab Johal, and this channel is A+. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to grade. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Cheers.